Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today it's like after work hours. It is currently 5 p.m. so it's dinner time. You know, this kitchen behind me is a little bit chaotic, so I'm gonna bring you along. We went on a lunch date earlier, me and Darnell and I, and we went to the grocery store and picked up some dinner as well. So we're gonna clean this kitchen and then we'll get dinner prepared. So come along, because I was about to do it anyway, so I'll just come and hang out with you guys. So maybe you're doing the same thing, so let's go.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control.
Let me know in the comments if you hand wash your dishes or rinse them out. Do you have to do them in categories? Like, I always have to put my silverware in there, let it soak. So I kind of do those at the end. I let them sit in the hot water for the longest. Then I'll start with the cups. Then I'll move on to bowls. And then like that. And then I'll end up with pots. I'll do my silverware and then my pots. I don't know. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see I post a lot, like through the week or daily or whatever. So definitely follow me down there. I hand wash my dishes. This is the first time in our house, but this dishwasher is so loud and so old, so I just don't trust it. So when I put my dishes in there, I'm only putting them in there. I wash them and rinse them, and I put them in the dishwasher just to heat dry. Sometimes I'll leave the dishwasher open and let it just air dry out, but if I don't put the water seeps down in the dishwasher, and then it's like a puddle of water sits in there and it'll start smelling. But periodically I do wash the dishwasher out, like I do a rinse cycle, and I'll have hot bleach water in here. So yeah, that's why I always wash dishes, because that dishwasher is just so old. And y'all know, if you didn't know, we're in government housing, so there's no telling how long that dishwasher been here. We're in military housing, I'll say. So yeah, that's why I hand wash dishes. Alright, so since I have quite a bit of pots and pans, I've just left the dishwasher open just so this can air dry, and I am going to put this up before we have dinner so we won't have this filled up. Right now I noticed that this window, you see all that? Yeah. And I cleaned my windows because when I looked up, I saw that it has something like it was used, a rag or something was wiped down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up there and get this clean. And then after that, I have the salmon here. They're pretty thawed out, so they're ready to get made in a moment. So this is what we're having for dinner: salmon fillets. So I'll get them out, cleaned up, washed down, and seasoned. I think Mr. is gonna place them on a grill, if I'm not mistaken. He's not here right now. He's at the school for my child, for our daughter, or whatever. So they'll be back shortly. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that wiped down. I got pretty much all the dishes cleaned up. I need to go ahead and just put these little bit of dishes and stuff up here, and then we'll finish up with cooking.
Smells like my favorite smell ever. It smells like bleach.
Yeah, and I smell bleach. You smell delicious. Yeah, you lied. You said there was food.
It is food.
Where?
I said it was cooked.
Oh, yes. There's delicious chemicals.
I come home from a long, hard day at work and at school and at practice. I'm
expect
I
a
didn't
meal.
say it was cooked yet.
Hey y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Get out.
She got.
Go ahead and season our salmon. Darnell's already out there. He's out there lighting the grill and all of that. So we're gonna do salmon, rice, and mixed veggies, I believe. That's what we're gonna do on the grill, and some foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this opened up. You wanna grab anything else?
Bring my normal.
Ooh, straight off the grill. Looks so yummy, so yummy. Look at my roses. They are blooming so beautifully. Oh, so awesome. They are so beautiful.